Oh, yeah. Oh, look how cool Gwazi is. That is beautiful right there. Oh, you see Sheikah over here? Yeah. Oh, you see Cheetah Hunt and then Montu. Oh, that's a swing one.
That's the swing. Oh, we were going.
So this is like skydiving.
Yeah.
But much safer.
Don't know if I'd ever want to go see.
Oh, downtown Tampa right there. Oh no, oh, guess you're in Sarasota. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hello, there we go. Woohoo! Awesome!
That was so fun.
I say Iron Gwazi's scarier than this. I don't